Hey Jammers, it's almost my birthday, so 2 days from now. We're traveling to Utah, so I joined this group.
Bryce Canyon City, right?
Shut.
Bryce.
Oh God, I know it's kind of loud, so with that, it's, you know, you can say that it's a fun group. It's my first time to be traveling with them, so I'm excited. Let's go. So we rented a van. There's like 13 of us.
Park.
See? I hate this guy. Alright guys, so we reached Bryce Canyon National Park right now, and then this is the van that we rented. So it's time for us to set up our tent. So if you see there, it's actually cold, right? Kuya Anton, malamig, di ba?
It's really cold. Yes, it's very, very cold.
So there you see, we just had our breakfast. There's Faith. Then Jeffrey is setting up our tent. The family, because it's somewhat, the ground is plain over there. So we intended the family would be staying right there for the kids. Okay, so there's Seth.
Hi guys, welcome to my guys.
There's Ate Madel and Kuya Raya and the kids. So they're setting up. Hi. Oh, there's Sybil. Say hi to my vlog. Hi. Digong. Ingon niya. Hi. Hi. There's Kuya Elvis.
Hi. Hello.
Alright, so this is the day one of our, actually it's my birthday right now. So it's like, my way of saying happy birthday to myself. Raya. Hey Jammer, so we're entering the Zion tunnel right now. You excited, Zyphel?
No.
No? Why not? Look. Oh, it's getting dark right now. Oh my god.
So bad.
So this is what you call the Zion tunnel.
I am very.
And it stretches like probably, how many miles? Is that 1.3 miles. Oh yeah, look at that. Really nice.
Monster. Oh, it's
Oh, it's not.
Well, pyramid.
But they like designed it flawlessly. Look at the view, guys. Oh, and this is what you see at the end of the tunnel. Perfect. Hey Jammer, so we're here in Zion National Park, and I don't know, there's just a lot of people today. Probably because it's a long weekend. It's a holiday on Monday, so that's why a lot of visitors are visiting the place. So if you can see in the background, these are all rock formations that would blow your mind, and you would wonder how it's being formed. Hey Jammer, so we got a good parking right here. Alright, so those are, we have to wear a mask. And then you can see that in the background there's the scenic, mountain range of Zion right there. Alright, we're gonna get a good spot for us to have like, pictorials, something like that. So there's a shuttle bus tour right here. We'll try to get into that for the kids and the kids at heart. Hey guys, so we'll try to get our ticket for the shuttle bus ride, and there's just a bunch of people right here. Alright, so there are hikers, there are visitors who just like, just like us, would like to have that tour. There you go. So actually people are observing social distancing right here. There's just a bunch of like visitors who'd like to have their weekend getaway. Or they actually have, a shuttle bus right here where you can actually take a ride, but it seems like there's a long line, so we cannot do that right now. And that's the background that you see. Nice. Alright, on our first day in Zion National Park, so we made this video, which is a very famous song from the Philippines, and here it is. It's 6 p.m. right now, so we just came from Zion, and then we're trying to prepare our dinner. So I got here Seth and Kuya Anton and the rest of the gang preparing dinner. Alright, so what are you preparing, Seth?
Chicken afritada.
Chicken afritada. So everyone has his or her own job to do. So I'm just trying to record. Nino is in charge of
Trying to record here.
the dessert. Yep. And Jeff, of course, he's our bodyguard. It's my first time to do camping, and so far I'm having so much fun. Yeah. That's our tent. It's already 6, but it's still like there's still light. So the families are over there. What's good about this group is that they sang happy birthday to me and Ate Madel, which we really appreciated. Look at this video.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Madel. Happy birthday, Jam.
And as my way of saying thank you to them, I gave them a dance prod, and here it is. Look.
Shake your body, baby girl, make it go side to side. Earthquake, earthquake, whoa, you.
Okay, so our day 1 was over and it was a great time. Now we are now on day 2, and then we got a hiking going to the Bryce Canyon, and you will see the beauty of it. It's majestic and it's really perfect. And look at this one. Hey Jammer, so what will be your reaction if in the morning you'll see this kind of sight? It's amazing, huh? So praise God for this creation. So we're now here in Bryce Canyon. It's a sunset point, and that's why you can see those rock formation, and they're all natural. Hi,
Hi.
welcome to my vlog.
Hello.
So we're going to this trail. So we're going down, and then we're gonna see that like up close. Really nice, huh? So if you see people are walking around, there you go. Nice. Oh. So we came from that, trail. Like you have to walk from there, and then you just follow the trail, and it will lead you going down here, and we're supposed to be going all the way down over there. Alright, so this is the first stop of our day 2, and we went to Sunset Point, and you can see there the trail in the map, and the elevation for that, would you believe it's 8,000 feet. And after that, the next stop that we're going to visit is the Horseshoe Bend, and it was like probably 2 hours of driving, and we're gonna reach it, and then you're gonna see it right now here. Hey Jammer, so we're reaching our Horseshoe Bend, and it's gonna be our last stop for our trip. Now we park right here. There's Jeffrey, there's Kuya Elvis, Kuya Anton, and we'll start walking right now. And they said it's gonna be like a 35-minute walk or a 30-minute walk. And this is the parking area. So when you go here, be sure that you have to bring what? It's in my bag right here. You have to bring your water. All right, there you go. Yeah, later guys. Okay, so we're gonna take this route, this trail. So Seth leads us right now, and then we're gonna reach Horseshoe Bend. We're gonna take pictures as a group. Yep. There we go. Now we're gonna be walking down that route over there. So if you can see, there's a lot of visitors that are here. Of course, you have to have your precautions, so we're wearing our mask. There you go. Hey Jammer, so we actually reached a spot where the Horseshoe Bend is. Now you can see there's a lot of people that are taking their photos, so we'll take our turn later. Alright, and our friends are still there. Hi. There you go. Can you imagine we have to walk from that point going here? Alright, if you're around, we'll take our photos later. Bye. Well, up close, this is what you see. And if I'm not mistaken, that river is actually part of the Colorado River. And what a nice way to have the spot. And of course, we still did our dance number. So we got good videos, aerial shots, and here it goes. Look. And that's the end of our day 2. And this is the best photo I got. So we're ready for dinner. Hey Jammer, so we stopped by for a dinner here in Flagstaff. And we went to this Ace Resto, where we get to choose our own, set of food with that bowl. So Seth is having fun choosing his salad. Yeah, I might get pork right now. Hey Jammer, so this is really cool because you get to choose your food, and it's like they're the ones like cooking it for you in front of you. I got Nino right there and Seth, and I think he's making mine right here. Really nice. Hey Jammers, I can't wait for my food right now. I'm starving.
Yeah. Oh no, the name of their band is.
And that's the food I got. It's so yummy. And then Madel and I, since we are celebrating our birthday on the 11th of October, we got this very, free deal, free dessert for both of us, and it's so yummy. Really nice. And I'm just so happy that, I did not regret that I was with this group. And when I came back home, my roommates prepared something for me. So it was a really nice celebration for my birthday and was really memorable. Thank you!